Good morning. All right, my question of the day is, how are you feeling? And you know what? Everyone's going to have a different answer because we can all feel different ways. So I want you to think about, how are you feeling right now? What word tells about you? Let's think. There's lots of different words. Happy, sad, mad, surprised, proud, excited, nervous. We've talked about a lot of different words. So, what are you feeling? Right now, I am going to do a feeling game with you. All right? You're going to try to figure out where my feelings will go. Okay, so are you ready? You're really going to have to think on this one. So my first feeling I have, so I used these feeling cards before, so you might remember some of them. This one, look at that boy's face. You know, he's not sure what's going to happen, and he's a little bit nervous, a little scared, not really sure. He looks worried. Now I want you to look. What letter does worried start with? See that letter? W. W is the letter, and W says W. Let's see here. I have a paper. My paper has missing words on it. We need to find out where this one goes. So, what do you think? Where would this one go? Do you see a beginning letter that looks like this one? A W for worried. Worried. If you thought it was, let me hold it right next to it. Oop, that one right there. Then you are right. Those look the same. W, W. And let's see how many letters are in this word. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count our spaces and see if there's 7 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So worried would go right there. You know what? I am going to write that in. W-O-R-R-I-E-D. Worried is a long word. There we go. So we have our first one. Okay, let's see if you remember what this guy is feeling. He looks like he's had a long day. He's played so hard. He's been going, and you know what? He doesn't have any more energy because he is what? He is tired. So let's look at that first letter. What letter is that? It makes the sound T. T. T is the letter, and T says T. So let's look here. Do you see a spot that begins with that letter? Look right there. It is long and has a little line across it. Do you see any ones that are long with a line across? Let's find out. Let's see. Let me get it next to this one. Does it look like that one? No, that is an S, like a snake goes around. Let's see, we already have that one. What about here? Does that look the same? That looks the same as that letter, but we're looking for the first letter, the letter T. What about up here? That has a long line on it, but it also has a little hill next to it, because that is an H. Let's try this one up here. Does that look like the letter? It's long with a line across. Let's see how many spots there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count this one and see if it has 5. All right, can you count for me? I will point and you count. If you said 5, you are right. So tired will go right up at the top. T for tired. Now we have 2 of our words filled in. All right, ready for the next one? This is a longer one. What is this girl feeling? She looks like she has a really big feeling inside of her. Like maybe she just opened a really cool birthday present. Maybe she gets to go ride a horse. Maybe she's gonna get to talk to her grandma on the phone. If you got to do those things, how would you feel? Would you just feel a little bit happy? Or would you feel more than happy? Like you are so happy that you just can't keep it inside and you have to tell everybody. That's kind of what she's feeling. And that is excited. So now, excited starts with what letter? How do we read words? Do we start on this side or on this side when we read? It's just like when we read in a book. We start on this side and go over. Yes. So what letter is that? This is the letter E. I want you to tell me what sound E makes. Like in the word egg, in the word excited, in the word elbow. E is the letter and E says eh, eh, eh. So now I'm going to just hold this on the side and I want to see if you can find just this first letter there. That first one. Do you see it? It won't be on one of the words we've already done. It'll be one that we still need to do. I hope you pointed to this one. And we put it right above. Do you see how those look the same? They are both E's. All right, let's count the spots and make sure we have enough spots for the whole word. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, you ready? Here's our E. Let's see if there's 7. 1, 2, 3. What comes after 3? 4, 5, 6, 7. So that does work. Excited is a long word. is the letter, and E says eh, eh, eh. We are filling in all of ours. We only have 3 left. We have this one down at the bottom. We have this one here, and we have that one there. So which letter do we start with? I'm not going to point to it. Look at this word. You tell me, do we start on this side or that side? What letter does this word start with? It's the same as horse, hungry, home, hop. H is the letter, and H says can you find the H? It has a long line down, and then it looks like a little hill. Do you see that? Long line down, and then it goes over like a little hill. H. Is it here? Here? Or there? If you said that it was the top one, then you'd be right. Look how those are both H's. And let's see how many letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count it for me. Start with 1, 5. All right, so that is the word happy. We feel happy when we get an answer right. We feel happy when we get to talk to a friend. We feel happy when we can eat our favorite food. H is the letter, and H says, oh, I have one. That isn't a feeling I ever like to feel. It's not a good feeling inside. Have you ever seen someone looking like this? She doesn't look happy at all. She looks the opposite of happy. She looks sad. I wonder why she'd be sad. What's something that makes you sad? I wonder if that's why she's sad. Let's see. What letter does that start with? This is some of your guys' favorite letter because it curves around. This is a very curvy letter. It is fun to write. S. S is the letter, and S says S, like snake. S. S is the letter, and S says. Now, it looks like a very little word. Do you see a little word that starts with an S? We only have 2 spots. We have this one down here. It's 1, 2, 3, and starts with what letter? Is that the same? Or is it up here? Is this word 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters? Count the letters on this word. 1, 2, 3. Let's look right down there. 3, and they both start with S. Sad. S is the letter, and S says S. So, How many spots do we have left to fill in? We just have one spot left. We have a word that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters long and starts with what? That is what apple starts with. Ant, alligator. A is the letter, and A says a, a, a. So we have our word here. Where is the A in this word? Can you point to it? A is the letter, and A says a. Let's put them right by each other. Let's see. Mine has a little bit longer of a tail that comes out to the side, but they're the same letter. All right. But, you know what? We didn't decide what feeling this is. It starts with an A. It's 5 letters long. But what is this word? What is he feeling? You know what? His mouth is down like that, which sometimes means sad. But look at his eyes. Are those sad-looking eyes? Those are mad-looking eyes. What is another word for mad? When you're really upset, somebody has done something that you don't like at all, and you are so mad, you want to throw something. What is that called? Angry. This boy is definitely feeling very angry. Angry starts with which letter? If you said an A, you are correct. We have all of our feeling words. Great job. I hope you helped to figure those out. And nice work on your letters.